So, you're considering an Ather. You need to charge it, obviously. You know the Dot, yes? No. This is the Dot, a personal home charger for your Ather 450. Maybe you live on the 7th floor, or the 1st floor, or the 17th floor, or an independent villa. The Dot fits everywhere. Yes, it comes with the scooter. Yes, it is yours. Yes, it is covered in the cost already. Yes, we'll also install it for you. If your parking spot is next to a wall, this is how it'll be. If your parking spot is next to a pillar, this is how it'll be. If your parking spot isn't near any of these, yep, that's how it'll be. See? Simple. Just like installing any appliance. We've got you covered. This is how the Dot is powered. Yes, it is taken from your electricity connection. Yes, the charging usage will be added to your electricity bill only. Nope, no inconvenience for others. So that's the Dot. You just charge and ride.